What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, an interesting video for you all today. We are starting to see more and more news articles talking about Shiba Inu just as they were talking about Shib a couple of months ago when Shib went on that massive run. Now, whenever we start seeing these media outlets starting to talk about Shiba Inu in this way, we know that something special is going to happen very, very soon. Now, of course, I think for us to go on that massive run that everybody's been talking about, myself included, we need the crypto market to make a little bit of a comeback. Right now, we are still struggling, especially on the day. The 7-day doesn't look too bad, but we are still struggling a little bit. We need Bitcoin to be well above 50K, Ethereum well above 3.5K for us to really trigger that big run for Shiba Inu. Shib is obviously struggling on the day. We will get to that here in a moment. But like I said, in order for that big run to come, I think we need the crypto market to come back, but Shiba Inu is special. Of course, we know this token could go on that big run that everybody's been talking about without the crypto market necessarily making a comeback. And that's what makes Shiba Inu so much different than the broader crypto space. So that is what we are going to be talking about today, the outlook for this token over the next several months in the broader cryptocurrency market. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. And last but not least, folks, if you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate. My affiliate link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. When you use my link, open up a brokerage account and deposit just 1 cent, folks, 1 penny onto Webull, you are going to get 2 free stocks guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The value of those 2 free stocks can be all the way up to $3,300. Obviously, you do have to be a little bit lucky to get that combined value, but regardless, you are going to get those 2 free stocks, absolutely no questions asked. So Shiba Inu, we are struggling a little bit on the day, but before we get into the price action, let's go ahead and head over to this article and just highlight some of the things that we can look forward to in this year. The Shiba Inu team is working on this project to trigger the 2021 magic that grew the coin by more than 50 million%. Now, obviously for this year, an increase in our market cap by 50 million% is practically impossible. It's not going to happen. But at this point, we're not looking for an increase by 50 million%. We're looking for that 10x, 100x potential over the course of several years. Not necessarily happening in 2022, but I do think that 10x in 2022 is very reasonable, and I think that's what's going to happen. The coin was previously a mere meme coin when it exploded, but now the team is giving the project more utility. This is what's attracting investors. The launch of SHIBASWAP was one of the signs that the team is going to develop a DeFi project in 2022. There were so many naysayers and people that were spreading FUD when it comes to Shiba Inu before the team launched SHIBASWAP. People were saying this thing is a scam token, the team is not serious about it, and then guess what? They made good on every single one of their promises. They put out SHIBASWAP, and it was a bigger success than anyone could have ever imagined. And now people are saying that Shiba Inu is a scam for different reasons. But guess what? The team has made good on their promise every single time. In 2022, Shiba Inu is building a more superior blockchain project and is introducing more products. The biggest development so far is the launch of the Doggy DAO. We've been talking so much about that, which is now allowing the community to vote on major decisions. The beta version of the DAO is releasing soon. Shiba Inu is also going on an NFT project with the Shiboshis, and we've been talking about that for quite some time as well. All these developments are likely to trigger a bull run, and I completely agree. It was just like SHIBASWAP. It took a little bit of time for the market to react, but once it did react, we saw that huge run, which is why we need to be able to get into Shiba Inu before these projects actually launch and the developers actually make good on their promises, because that's when it could potentially be the most lucrative. That's how I look at Shiba Inu for my portfolio personally. So for me, I'm seeing all of these good things come and all of these good catalysts, and yet we are still struggling. I mean, here's the 1 month chart. If we click on the 3 month chart, it's even more evident. Shiba Inu has been going down over time. And the people that are selling out of their position, in my opinion, are people that don't necessarily have conviction on the whole project. They don't see it as a long-term play. They want to be in and out of Shiba Inu, and they want it to just make a quick buck, which is not the way we should be looking at this token, in my opinion. For me personally, when I see a graph like this and I know the potential, we all know the potential. When it comes to Shiba Inu, I get extremely excited. Now, obviously, it's very hard to time the market, and that's something each portfolio is a lot different. Some people like to DCA, some people like to put a lump sum. Everybody is different. For me personally, whenever I see this as an opportunity. I think to myself, I think Shiba Inu can get back here, because you got to remember something, folks. A lot of people were saying after this run, Shiba Inu, there's no way it's going to come back here. And guess what? Defied all odds and went parabolic all the way up to the top. But of course, with this big run, you have to cool off. But the important part is, how far do you fall whenever you do cool off? You see here, we had higher lows. Same thing happened here. And we are starting to stabilize here in the high 2s, low 3s. We really haven't seen Shiba Inu fall too much beyond that. And it's the same type of concept, where once we start riding flat for a little bit, of course, we're hoping that it doesn't last this long, with the crypto market hopefully making a recovery over the next several weeks. But even if it does, long term is how we have to think when it comes to Shiba Inu. So let's say we do ride flat for a little bit. The next set of parabolic growth that we are going to see for Shiba Inu, it's going to mimic this exactly, in my opinion. Now, that's not what I'm saying I'm looking forward to, because you guys know for me, I want to see that long-term sustainable growth, which is what I think we will get with Shiba Inu. But once we do get this parabolic jump because of all the good catalysts that are coming, I mean, this is inevitable in my opinion, and especially with the Robinhood listing, I think it's going to just look exactly like what we've seen in the past. This huge increase, but it's always about having higher lows, which is what we're going to continue to see as Shiba Inu continues to grow. But I do hope in the future that we get to a point where we aren't seeing these absolutely crazy jumps in price, because this is the type of thing that scares away some people. And this is kind of meme token-esque, you know? But that's okay, because like I said, Shiba Inu is the best of both worlds. You can get this potential, but you also have that long-term sustainable growth, which is what I'm personally looking forward to when it comes to this token. But again, all of this has to be underscored, folks, that this is going to take time, it's going to take patience, it's going to take effort on our part. Shiba Inu, there is more than 1.1 million holders of this token now, but that's still a very, very insignificant amount compared to the broader cryptocurrency market. Yes, we have a sky-high market cap that I think is going to do much better than what it's doing right now. I think we still have a lot of room to run. But that being said, our number of holders, which is one of the most important metrics, by the way, if you ask me, I think that's what really needs to start going up. And in order to do so, we need to increase our exposure. And you guys know the best way to do that is exchange listings, particularly Robinhood, because you got to think about it somehow like this. We are listed on so many different exchanges, right? But practically all of those exchanges cater to folks that are already trading cryptocurrency. Take a Dogecoin, for example. Dogecoin's success is predicated primarily on the fact that it is listed on Robinhood, because those retail investors can get in so much more easily compared to Shiba Inu that's practically not listed on any of those retail websites or exchanges. So that's what makes that Robinhood listing so important, that increase in exposure. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please keep in mind, folks, I'm by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on place that I am in. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. It really helps out the channel quite a bit. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out the scene, folks. Peace out.